Hi, I'm Christina and welcome to A Leaf to Live. In this vlog series, I take you along with me on my 2-month solo backpacking trip around Southeast Asia.
Now you!
Good morning, it's 6 a.m. here in Nakupenda, or in Cambodia. And yeah, look at this, it's sunrise, so nice. So this is the view from the bathroom in our room. Let me move you to the other window. Look at that, so beautiful. So lucky. So I woke up at 6 just now because it's my turn to water plants today in the morning. So we have 3 different areas. One of them is called the mandala garden, and then we also have the left and the right sides of the garden, and I have to water the mandala garden. That happens at 6:30, and then we have breakfast, and then we start our work at 7:30. And my work this morning is to do with the water filtration systems. That's really interesting. It's really cool to see how we can improve the filtration of the showers and how water that comes from the showers can be recycled or reused. That's more or less the morning for me. After lunch, Jan and I are going to school to teach English to young kids. The afternoon we're going to work together researching different ways in which we can use plants, or different ways in which we can grow different plants. So that is more or less our work for the day. And yeah, I'm gonna wash my face and everything, but that's the day. Hey, so I'm gonna head down and water the garden, but before I redressed my little wound here, my foot. I did that myself, right? And I don't know, 5 minutes. And they actually charged my travel insurance like more than $70 because the doctor did it for me like 2 days ago. So very pointless. And yeah, I've just done it myself, which looks alright, I think. It doesn't hurt anymore, so that's what matters. But yeah, just gonna go ahead and start the day.
How do you do? This one? Okay, which one? Like this? Oh! Like this? Yeah, like that? We're doing bridges now. 1, 2. High five. Oh, that's not your hand. What is this? Okay.
Muối,
Is that 1, 2, 3?
2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Yay!
M, 4, pin.
High five. Same size.
Đi áo.
Yeah, owl.
Oh,
Yeah, this is very big. This is very big owl.
đi áo, đi áo. Áo.
Hello. Say hi.
Bye.
So cute. Are you having a good time? Yes? For you? Oh, for you. Okay. That's for you. What's your name? What is your name? Marcot.
Yeah.
Yeah, and mine?
Mostly.
What?
Ba.
Tina. Tina.
Sejam.
Yeah? Are you gonna pack up? Yeah.
Today has been quite a busy day. I had to water the plants in the morning, which I did, and that was quite cool. Today we also worked on a water filtration system, and we're trying to get the water that comes up from the showers to feed into banana circle. So we're gonna grow bananas, and so we're digging behind the big house. Also, after lunch I went to school to teach English to kids. That was extremely fun and quite interesting as well, because I was really unprepared, but just managed to improvise and the kids really enjoyed it, so that's really fun. And I think I'm going back tomorrow as well, and every day for the rest of the week. After that I did some research about different types of plants that we're growing and best ways to grow them, etc. So all the background information about that. And then I also just helped cook dinner, so we're gonna have dinner really soon. And yeah, it's just been a really packed day, but really fun nonetheless. I look like such a mess constantly. I have so many bites, like it's unbelievable. I've never had that many bites on my legs, so I've just been spraying mosquito repellent like all afternoon. It's horrible, but yeah, let me show you. Okay, so I have this massive one here, and then I have all these mosquito bites all over here. I've got more over here. Probably have, yeah, I have this one here as well. And this guy, yeah, it's just all over the place, to be honest. Then on the other leg, let's see, I have a massive one here. Another one there. A really big one there. I think I just got bed bugs or something. Like, this isn't normal. Yeah, so it's all over my body, on my arms also. There. Yeah, I'm pretty much everywhere, to be honest. Everywhere. I've been bitten quite a lot. It's really itchy. I'm trying not to scratch because I don't want to get an infection. But yeah, and I also cut my finger. I was grating some carrots to cook for dinner, and I was told, oh, careful with your hands, and I was like, yeah, it's okay. I managed to cut my hand. I really want to show you around at some point, because I feel like I've just filmed in this little room. There's our mosquito nets all set up, and the beds are so thin, but they're actually not the uncomfiest place I've ever slept in. It doesn't say much, but I did sleep in a hostel that had a bed that was harder than this, so this is alright. It's just really itchy at night, my leg especially, so I need to stop and refrain from scratching, but that's it. Okay, see you later.